Let's go for a drive. Today, I am visiting the zoo. There are so many animals there, and we can count them together. Are you ready? Let's go. We're going to the zoo to count the animals. We're going to the zoo to have fun. We're going to the zoo to play together, and we're gonna have the best day ever. We'll count the animals. We'll learn to count all the animals we see. We'll visit all the animals in the zoo, and we'll count them. 1, 2, 3. We're here at the zoo. Would you look at that? It's amazing how many animals we'll get to see. Looks like our little car is going to be a tour bus today. I wonder which is the first animal we'll see today. Sounds like monkeys are the nearest animals to us. But let's check this handy dandy map of the zoo to make sure we don't get lost. Yup, monkeys are the first animals we'll visit. Let's go. We're going to count the monkeys in the zoo. We're going to count the monkeys in the zoo. Here we are at the monkey enclosure. Can you see any funny monkeys? Where could the monkeys be? Maybe we should make some monkey sounds so that they hear us and come out. Do you know how to make monkey sounds? We just go, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Let's do it. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. There! Do you see? There's one monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Let's go see other animals. Wonder who's next? Do you remember from the map? That's right! We're seeing tigers next. I wonder how many there are here in the zoo. Let's find out. We're going to count the tigers in the zoo. We're going to count the tigers in the zoo. Looks like we're here now at the tiger enclosure. Wow! Look at those tigers! There are 1, 2 tigers. 2 tigers at the zoo. We saw 1 monkey and 2 tigers today. I wonder what else we can see. Let's find out. Wave goodbye to the tigers. Up next, we're seeing the giraffes. Do you know that giraffes have long necks? Can you imagine if your neck was long like a giraffe's? I sure can't. Do you see them? How many giraffes do you see? Count them with me. I see 1, 2, 3 giraffes. It looks like they're a family. That's so nice. We want to stay and play more with the giraffes, but we still have so many animals to see. Come on, let's say bye to the giraffes and look around some more. Bye, giraffes! What's that funny animal? It looks like a horse, but it has stripes. Do you know what it's called? A zebra! That's right! How many do you see? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 zebras. 4 zebras! We've seen 1 monkey, 2 tigers, 3 giraffes, and 4 zebras today. So many animals! What's the last animal we have to visit today? Do you remember what it is? Maybe we should check our map to remember. We visited the monkeys, tigers, giraffes, and zebras. Now it's time to see the alligators. Whoa! Look at those teeth! Alligators sure can be scary, so let's keep safe and watch them from far away. How many do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 alligators. 5 is so many. There are little and big ones too. All of them have sharp teeth. Isn't that very cool? Can you remember all the animals we saw today at the zoo? We saw 1 monkey, 2 tigers, 3 giraffes, 4 zebras, and 5 alligators. We saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different kinds of animals from all over the world. What an exciting day! I'm tired, but so happy. Looks like it's time to drive home. We've seen all the animals at the zoo, and we counted them too. Thank you for riding along with me and learning to count to 5 with all the animals at the zoo. Thank you for joining us in this episode of Ride Along Learning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to I Am Learning to join us on our next adventures. Bye! Let's do it. 2, 3, 4 zebras. 4. All of them have sharp teeth and then